Yo, what up, everybody? What's good with it, man? It's Elevated Travels, man. I'm your boy, Elevated, and we are out here back in South Central again. How you guys doing, man? Drop that like, drop that subscribe, man. You guys know if my voice sounds a little weird, I do have a helmet on. I'm looking into some kind of options for bikes. I don't know. But anyway, we're about to get going, man. Let's bounce. So yeah, we off of Manchester, man, and Broadway pretty much. And yeah, man, we just back out here on the east side. I almost feel weird going back, but you guys obviously love South Central rides and Figueroa Street. So, you know, hey, when you're trying to grow a channel, you gotta, when you're trying to grow a channel, you gotta give the people what they want, right? So, and then on top of that, with my ankle still being a little tender, I feel a lot more comfortable just being able to kind of ride out of my gate 6, 7, 8 miles. You know, don't have to worry about parking and picking this thing up just yet. So those are the main reasons why we back out here, man. So yeah, man, I hope you guys enjoy this one. And you know what? I'm gonna get on, bro. All right, man. So yeah, man, like I say, back out here on Fig in South LA, chilling. I'll say I never did anything for you guys. Drop that like. This used to be a laundry mat. Then it was like a month, and then and then they burned this shit down. Somebody, I don't know. Uh-oh. We gon' watch this Tesla, bro. He tried to keep up with these females. Ain't no telling what type of move this dude might make. I don't know what he yeah, he gotta be trying to, you know, get him on his team, because they ran. So that's the only reason I can see him running from somebody. I'm telling you, bro. But you gotta watch out when you driving around here, man. They be driving crazy as hell at night, during that night, trying to catch certain people, you know what I mean? If you don't know what I mean, then you don't know what I mean, then never mind. But if you know, then you know. Stolen tools. Trying to figure out how fast are you going. They're like, what the f? I'm telling you, bro. I'm telling you, that's what they're doing so many times. I've seen people pull up to me. They look at me, look back, look at their speedometer, look at me, look back at their speedometer. I'm telling you, you don't know how many times I've seen that, bro. There's a lot of police out here unusually today. Oh shit, excuse me, bro. Excuse me.
That motherfucker get up fast,
Hell yeah. Hey, that's that, bro. That's that dude. Yo, that's the dude in the Tesla, bro. That's him, bro. Now he done got out the car. Oh, so, why you gotta give a lady a ticket? That's messed up. South Central / Figueroa ride, man. Drop that like. Bruh, that's that's that same Tesla again, bruh. Fuck, bruh. I can't do it. I can't do it. Excuse me. I can't do it. I can't do it. I don't know what you doing, but hello.